Good afternoon and welcome to your closing afternoon report from IG, with the FTSE down around 40 points at around the 5800 level, in fact dipping below it as we speak. The index has dropped back to this level as US markets re-enter the fray after their enforced two-day break. The early rally on both FTSE this morning and in the US in the opening minutes of the session has fizzled as caution takes hold in the post-Hurricane Sandy environment. Not helping matters is the Chicago PMI figure, which came in weaker than expected for October at 49.9 in contraction territory, below the 51 that had been expected. We're also being held back slightly by weaker Eurozone unemployment data, which came in this morning, showing that the continent continues to struggle with the impact of the crisis. Banks in London were all higher this morning, but have turned lower following those results for the third quarter from Barclays, with perhaps the fear that additional PPI claims still lurk for many banks, despite all their efforts to try and solve this particular long-running issue. And the major faller on the FTSE 100 today is BG Group, dropping around 15% after it reported that it did not expect any production growth for the next year, whereas analysts had been expecting growth of around 10%. This is due to a shutdown of its fields in the North Sea and reduced drilling in the US as a result of lower natural gas prices. As we head towards the end of the week, there's a reminder, of course, that it is non-farms on Friday. This is the key one, as it's the last one before the election. And we also have the ADP number, the private payrolls figure produced by a private company that is widely seen as the precursor to non-farms, comes out tomorrow lunchtime. That's it for me. Please check your Insight platforms for more news and analysis.